I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam New Year's Eve 2021. I think the new year is a really good time to sit back and evaluate exactly where I'm at with the YouTube and the TikTok projects. Even though it seems like it's been a lot longer to me, it's been 2 months since I uploaded my first YouTube video. TikTok came right behind that. I think it's a good time to sit back and identify what's working and what could use some improvement. Lord knows I've had audio troubles since day one. I think I've finally mostly got that ironed out. I've had to learn the filming process, the editing process, what YouTube will and won't allow, what TikTok will and won't allow, as well as Facebook. Definitely a learning curve. So I wanted to let you know what changes you might expect to see in 2022. Currently, I have 2 series of videos on my channel. Traditional That's My Jam, where I make jams, jellies, Kahlua, etc. And Hey Mom. Now you probably already know Hey Mom started out as an idea because my kids were asking me how to make their favorite dishes. YouTube shows me analysis of the people that are watching the videos, and it's very, very few young people that are watching. For that reason, I'm going to change things up just a bit. Now, the content's not going to change, other than I'll probably stop talking about basic pantry staples and basic kitchen essentials and just go with the recipes. A lot of people have full-time jobs and they come home to taking care of children or parents or whatever the case may be, and they just don't have time to spend all day cooking. So that's why I'm changing up Hey Mom, and that's now going to be called Make It Quick. You're still going to see the same content, just a new name and a new look. Next, I plan to add a 3rd series to the channel, and this is something that I'm really excited about. A few of you have approached me and said, I want to cook with you, so I've decided to make a new series called Cooking with Friends. This is going to be an opportunity to get together with a friend, let them do the cooking, share a recipe that their family enjoys. I'll be on the sidelines acting as a sous chef, chopping and taking instructions, or maybe mixing up a cocktail to go along with what we're cooking. I've already got a couple of people lined up, but if that sounds like something you're interested in, send me a message and we'll talk. I'm also going to be changing up the way that I do TikTok, because that audience seems to be growing faster than YouTube. Also, TikTok allows me to stay true to the musical roots that I founded That's My Jam on. They compensate different artists to be able to use their music. So I love that platform because I can use the music and stay true to what That's My Jam started out to be originally. My objective is no secret. I'd like to get monetized. As of today, I have 259 followers on Facebook, but only 66 YouTube subscribers. If I could get everyone who follows me on Facebook to subscribe to the YouTube channel and get one other person, I could be at 500 subscribers just like that. That's halfway to my goal of 1,000. And I think together we can get this thing off the ground. In the meantime, I hope everyone has a wonderful start to the new year. 2022's got to be better to us than the last couple have been. I just know it. In the coming year, I wish you good health, prosperity, but more than anything, I wish you peace. Thank you for all your support. Next week, we'll be back to cooking and back to our regular schedule of Monday releases. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming. Happy New Year.